So basically, the key is picking the right line, and I didn't right there.
Connected.
Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I'm out today, gonna check out some back roads. Got a lot of rain, so I want to go down here and just see if we've had any flooding or how the creeks are up. And now, I don't know about this area. I was actually at my house, so. It is a beautiful day in the Ozarks today. It's like 53 degrees, but all the snow's gone. Sun's out, nice and beautiful. The creek is definitely I'll hit a rock there. I was going to say the creek is definitely flowing down here. I mean, not crazy. It's not flooding, don't look like. Good enough to force my wheels off anyway. One thing about it, after that snow, it is extremely muddy everywhere. Yeah, hopefully that rain actually packed some of that mud down. Wow. Pretty good creek crossing right here. Maybe not too deep. We hope. Oh no, not bad. Not bad at all. Another creek. What you gotta watch for is the big washed out ditches in the middle. I don't see any, but guess I'll. Ooh, that is deep right there. Deeper than I figured. There's definitely lots of little springs running, wet weather springs today. Makes a great place to wash your bike off. Wheelie across them. Works better. Keeps from getting your feet wet anyway. Unless it's too big of a crossing. Oh, what do we got here? Uh-oh. This is different. That's deep right there. That's a deep hole. I better go to this side. Yeah, right through here. Not bad, not bad. It looks like it tried to wash out down there. Right down there. It's kind of running right down the road. Uh-oh, that's a heck of a hole right there. But I made it. These little jumps are fun. Going up through here faster than that. I wasn't going fast enough for that to do any good. Nice little campsite. Good place for a tent. I couldn't get my travel trailer down here. Well, not through those creeks like that, I'm sure. Well, the creeks wasn't too bad. I'm going up out of here now. But wasn't near as bad as I figured they would be. Or as bad as they have been. So, pretty good. It's actually a nice day for a ride. Wish I would have been off all day. Bad part about this time of year is you ain't got much time after work to go for a ride, and it's already going to get dark on you. So, and I can ride in the dark, but to me it ain't much fun. Night riding ain't. Especially by yourself, kind of boring. Not really much scenery. If you have somebody riding with you and you can talk on the Sennas, pretty good then, but otherwise it ain't much fun. Crossing the creek again. What have we here? Probably something crazy rough. But I guess we'll see. It's like that Jeep went up in here. Yeah, it looks like a bunch of ledge rocks. Definitely going to be some rocks. One thing about the 300L, you can take it into the rough and it just smiles and goes right on. It's no problem. It's like a tractor. Just kind of lug it up through this stuff. You don't want to go too fast in this. You might bust an engine case, but at least I do have a skid plate. And ledge rocks, you got to watch bottoming out on them pretty rough. It's going to be a hill here, I'm afraid. So basically, the key is picking the right line, and I didn't right there. Picking the right line, that's the problem. This is a pretty good hill, guys. Yeah, I know I don't look like it on the video. Which way do we go? Which way do we go? Let's try this way. I don't know, I forgot. Dang, that pond is full. Check that out. Good pond for the deer, all the wildlife. Oh, that may be the end of the trail. Huh. I'm guessing it is. Well, darn the luck. It's mud right here. Mud like crazy. Let's see what this other one was. I saw a little spur turning off back here. It may go nowhere. Might just go to a little campsite or something. No, it might go up a hill up here. It goes up the hill a little ways anyhow. Dang, I'm gonna get the dang rut where I didn't want to be. Sometimes in the rut's okay, but sometimes you don't want to be in that rut. This dang stuff is so slick under them leaves. My back tire won't stay in one spot. And this is a pretty dang good climb. My goodness. Hey, we made it. I don't know if it goes any further, but we made it. It used to. If it's the trail I'm thinking, it used to come through, but it's been so long, I'm not positive about all these trails. We're up on a pretty good ridge. See the pines over there. Probably can't see them, but there's a lot of pines on that ridge over there. There's a few on this one. I don't know if this comes out on the road or if it dead ends. Most likely dead end. We'll see. But it's a pretty good road. I mean, it's lengthy. Instead of being just real short, it's got some length. I like that. Whoa. Like I said, it's muddy under those leaves, and then the leaves just slide on that mud. Well, it's going quite a ways if it does end. Starting to cool down. Sun's going down. Starting to over there. And now it's starting to temperature drop a little. With my shield up, I could definitely feel the difference. A lot of brush. Whoa, that's slick, I'm telling you. It's like ice. The leaves on the mud is like ice. And my tires are getting wore pretty good. They're not super grip anymore. I have to change them out one of these days. This road just keeps going. What do you know? Until they shut the gate, where you can't go on it. It'd be about what would happen. Somebody's been up here in a vehicle. I can see the tracks. Could be a side-by-side, but it looks pretty wide. Hey guys, while we're talking right here, pause the video real quick. Go down there and click the thumbs up and the subscribe. Thank you very much for doing that. It sure helps my channel out. And comment below. Always comment. Even if you give something, you know, just to say hey or something, just comment something. Makes a big difference. I sure appreciate it. Where in the world are we? And where is Carmen Sandiego? That, I think that road goes back down to where I came up the one hill. I think. And I bet you this one goes to a gate. If I'm thinking right. Betcha. Whoa. Oh, there's some mud. Try riding these ridges between the mud ruts. End up sliding off in it. Going sideways and going down if you ain't careful. There's a big tree across that one. We won't be going that way. What have we got here? Oh, we're at the highway. Cool. Check this out, guys. Yeehaw. Here we are. Yeehaw. Too cool. Okay, guys, I'm going to go home now. Thank you all for watching Woodsman Adventures. As I said, go down there and smash that thumbs up. Smash that subscribe button. Please comment below. Check out my Amazon links. And I'll catch y'all on the next one. Right on.